Hey, what's up everybody? I know it's been a while since I made a video. I just been trying to build this motor and get it and not have to worry about recording or anything like that. I wanted to make sure that everything was good with it and not have to worry about the recording side. But I did get it built. I did get it put in. I got it started. When I went to start it, I noticed I had a few leaks, just small minor stuff. This chintzy thing that I bought off of Amazon, the fuel bar, it was leaking, so I had to take it off and put ones that I had on here to stop it from leaking. So where we're at now, or where I'm at now, is I'm going to have to take everything back. Well, I'm going to have to take the top end back off. When I started it and let it run for a few, I started adding coolant and water to it, and it started spewing out. Let's see if I can get something to show you. It started spewing water, not a lot, but enough, right about there. Not the bolt heads, didn't come from the heads, it came from the gaskets. Right around in here. Not a lot, but like I said, enough to worry about. So I stopped it, shut it down, called, I bought the heads and the gaskets off of Competition Products, I think. And they told me that, lo and behold, I bought the wrong gaskets. This is a 400 small block, and 400s have the steam holes in them. And I have the right gaskets for an OEM block, which nothing on this motor is original. So the ones that I bought are for cast heads to cast block. So I got aluminum to cast, so I guess I got the wrong heads. The wrong gaskets. So they're sending me those in the mail. They should be here within a couple of days. But as of right now, I have to drain all the fluids, the radiator fluid out of it. Take, like I said, the top of the motor back off. I am going to drain the oil in it just to make sure that no radiator fluid or water got into it, and if it did, then I'm going to have to replace that. So it did sound good though. It sounded great. It ran great. Like, I just have everything set up right now to where I can break it in. Like, I have all my gauges and everything just setting here so I can see what it's doing. I did have a problem with it cooling down, but I had what was that problem? I can't remember. I don't think I had enough coolant in it. But I should be able to start it up this weekend, and actually I'll probably just start it up after I get the gaskets and everything put in. But that's where we're at right now. So draining everything and taking the top of the motor off. And I won't do that until the gaskets get here and I'm ready to put everything back together. So that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching, and I'll put another video out as soon as I get this thing put back together.